Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can reconcile your Xero bank account. So let's get started. Managing your financial transactions is essential for maintaining the health of your business, and reconciling your bank account is a crucial part of that process. It ensures your records match your bank's transactions and helps identify any discrepancies that need to be addressed. Xero makes this process easy with its user-friendly interface. To get started, simply log into your Xero account and head to your dashboard. Once there, find your business bank account and click on the three dots next to it. Select Reconcile Account, and you'll be taken to a page designed to make the reconciliation process seamless. From here, click on the Find and Match option to match your bank transactions with the ones entered into Xero. Once you've selected the correct transactions, categorize them whether it's a payment from a client, an expense, or an overpayment and save the transaction. Finally, click on Reconcile to confirm everything matches up between your bank and Xero. That's it. You've successfully reconciled your transactions, maintaining accuracy and integrity in your financial records. Consistent reconciliation is key to keeping your financials in check and avoiding future headaches. We hope this guide was helpful in navigating the reconciliation process within Xero. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on managing your business finances with ease and confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and here's to your business's financial health. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.